In this we are going to study about bleaching powder and I am sure कि आप सभी ने bleaching word पहले ज़रूर सुना होगा. Bleaching powder is also known as calcium oxychloride as it has a formula CaOCl2. So it is also known as chloride of lime. Remember what is lime? Calcium oxide is known as lime, and in the chemistry lime doesn't mean the lemon, it's a lime. Calcium oxide. Now let's see how the bleaching powder is prepared. Bleaching powder is manufactured or prepared on a large scale by passing chlorine gas over dry slaked lime. So what is dry slaked lime? As we know, calcium oxide is a lime which is also known as quicklime. So when quicklime reacts with water, it forms calcium hydroxide which is known as slaked lime. So when this calcium hydroxide or a slaked lime treated with chlorine gas, it produces calcium oxychloride which we commonly known as bleaching powder. Now the question arises, from where we get this chlorine gas? Remember the chlor-alkali process which we discussed in the previous video. Here the liquid form or the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, which is also known as brine, is electrically processed and it produces the alkali NaOH and gases like hydrogen and chlorine. So the chlorine which is produced in this process of chlor-alkali process is used in the manufacturing of bleaching powder. As you can see in the first equation, the brine is treated with electricity and due to the electrolysis, NaOH, chlorine and hydrogen gases produced. Now this chlorine is treated with the slaked lime and it produces calcium oxychloride. The actual formula of calcium oxychloride is quite complex. So we are just here representing the bleaching powder as CaOCl2. So in this way, on the large scale, slaked lime is treated with the chlorine gas to produce bleaching powder. Now let's see what are the uses of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used for bleaching of cotton and linen in the textile industry. Bleaching का मतलब होता है decolorize करना, किसी color को remove करना. Bleaching makes the cotton clothes even whiter and also used in the shading of jeans. So we can say that bleaching powder is used for whitening of the textile like cotton and linen. Bleaching powder is used for the bleaching of wood pulp in the paper factories also. We know that paper is prepared from the wood pulp, but it is not white in the early stages. The wood pulp is treated with the bleaching powder to make it white in color. And then we use the white papers for the different purposes. Bleaching powder is also used to remove the stains from the clothes. So it is used in the laundry. You must have seen your mother using the bleach to remove the stains. Bleaching powder is used as the oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. What is oxidizing agent? Means which provides oxygen. In the formula of bleaching powder, we can see there is a presence of oxygen. So that's why bleaching powder is used as an oxidizing agent. Bleaching powder is also used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. As bleaching powder consists chlorine, which we learned in the previous videos that chlorine is a disinfectant which kills the germs. So with the help of bleaching powder, we can make the water potable. So in this video, we have learned that what is bleaching powder, how it is prepared, and the different uses of bleaching powder.